Welcome to another Etsy shop review. This is a series that I occasionally do where I will go into the shops that you submitted to me and I will take a look at the images and the products. I will analyze them and I will give you a few tips on what you could improve in your shop, and I will also point out what is really good in my opinion. So it's not just criticism, but I would also like to encourage you in the things that you are already doing good. Today's shop was submitted to me last year when I did a poll in my community tab, so if you would like your Etsy shop to be reviewed here on my channel, it is 100% free, then leave a comment down below with the name of your shop. I started doing these because when I started out I wish there was someone who would take a look at my shop and point out a few things that I could improve to make everything better, to make my shop look better and my products sell better. So that's why I started this series, because it could help a lot when someone can give you a few pointers in your digital products business, especially at the beginning. That is a very important part. Today we are going to talk about Mom Design Studio. This is a shop that is selling invitations and all things related to parties. Now, this niche is more on the saturated end of the digital product world, but we are going to take a look at the products, at the shop, descriptions, images, everything that comes with having an Etsy shop. We will analyze a few of their listings, and without any further ado, let's hop over to my computer and let's check this shop out. I haven't looked in advance, I just opened it in my browser, so we are going to do this together right here, right now. Okay, so here we are in the shop. As you can see, this is their banner and their shop icon. I really love that they displayed these products right here. They look amazing in my opinion. This blue one especially caught my eye. I think it looks amazing and we are going to take an in-depth look into that product because I really like it. But what I would suggest here is to make something more interesting on the other side of this banner. Maybe you could make the background a little bit lighter and the fonts that way could stand out a little bit more. And just a few more decorative elements right here on the left side. I also really like the logo that she has. This is Martina's shop. I think that she has some design background because that logo looks really amazing and I don't think that was created in Canva. So she has the rave reviews badge. This means that their reviews are at least a 4.8 over the last 3 months. Which is really nice because this way we know that these products are really good. They have a shop announcement here and I can see that all products and all templates were made in Canva. And I would like to congratulate Martina on these really amazing listing images. I think that they look amazing, and I mentioned this is my favorite, this Alice in Wonderland theme. And as you can see, they are using the Alice in Wonderland theme, but they are not using their directly copyrighted images. They are just using the styles and the elements that that story has. Let's take a look at the categories. They have 123 listings, which is a really good amount to start with. They have some bridal shower and brunch invitations, kids and adults birthday invites, cake toppers and things like that, all things related to parties. They also have video invitations, which I'm really interested in, so let's check out a few of these. Let's go again with the Alice in Wonderland theme. They have some really nice reviews, some with images, which is really great. They are on Etsy since last year, since 2022. I'm filming this very early in the morning because I have lots of errands to run today, so cheers to some coffee. I clicked on the All Products tab so that I can see everything in a shop, and I will try to analyze these listings with Everbee. And I will also go into Etsy Rank, but first I will try Everbee because I would like to see how these listings are performing. If you'd like to try out Everbee for free, it is a really great Etsy product research tool. Then you can find a link in the description down below, and I would be really grateful if you would use it to try out Everbee. It would support this channel to create lots of more free content for you guys here on YouTube. First, let's filter by the monthly revenue and let's see which product is making the most amount of money. And we can see that this Alice in Wonderland video invitation, I will open that one too in a second. And then another Alice in Wonderland themed invitation. And quite a few items had sales in the past 30 days. Not thousands, but they are making consistent sales, which is really important to give you the boost and the willpower to go and create more products. Their visibility score is a little bit low, so if you could drive a little bit more traffic to this shop, maybe from Pinterest or Facebook or somewhere, that would be really beneficial for your visibility score. And the shop's age, as we can see, is only 9 months, and they already have 223 orders, I believe. That's the number that I saw there. But some of these listings are just 3 months old, so really good job, Martina. This Alice in Wonderland video invitation was sold 48 times, and if we multiply 48 by 7, that's $336 from just one product. In 3 months that product has been upon Etsy, that is a really good result. Okay, now let's get back to this invitation that just caught my eye, and it is really amazing in my opinion. If I would have a party to throw in this theme, then I would choose this invitation. I think that this mock-up speaks for itself. The base is muted, not many elements, just a few flowers, and this way the invitation's design can speak for itself, which I think it's really nice. There are some instructions how to edit it in Canva, some more instructions, but I think that this is a really good layout, and also some print files as well, and some more instructions on how to use this template. I think that the images look really nice. The reviews are great as well. They have 5 reviews. Now let's see the title. Sorry, all of those Alice in Wonderland themed invitations caught my eye, but this is Snow White, so sorry for that. So Snow White birthday girl invitation, princess party invite. I would phrase this title a little bit differently. Fairy tale gold. I am not sure if you did the research and you saw that this keyword has searches, then you can keep it, but if not, then I would rephrase this keyword a little bit. And digital printable template, I would put the template after the invitation because people are searching more for invitation templates than for printable templates. Let's see the search volumes. As you can see, invitation templates have searches. And also, let's see, Everbee and SEO Samurai have different opinions about the printable template keyword. But I would stick to the invitation template keyword. Or if you want to keep both, then try to rephrase it. What you can also use is this free Etsy Chrome extension called Etsy GPT. It will generate some title and description ideas. You just have to be logged into ChatGPT, that I'm not at the moment. But it will generate you some ideas that you can work with. If you would like to know how that works, I have an in-detailed video of how to do that. It can save you so much time when it comes to creating descriptions and titles. The description is good too. It has the main keywords in it. I just would make sure that each and every combination of the most important keywords are used here. So according to Everbee, this one sold 3 times in the last month. The visibility score is a little bit low, but let's see the keywords that we have here. Let's sort it like that. This first keyword, rose, it is a standalone keyword and not a long tail one. So try to make sure that you use multiple word keywords here when it comes to your tags, because it's more specific, and that way you can target those people who are looking for that specific item or that specific keyword. So maybe rose themed invitation, rose party or something like that. I would also add as a keyword invitation template, because that is an important thing here because we are working with a template. But other than that, the tags are okay, very similar, but they are okay. And this is the Alice in Wonderland one. Let's see the video. It looks really nice, it's on theme and everything. The images look great. Let's see the title. I am not sure about this Wonderland. Did you want to write Wonderland? Just correct that one. If it's Wonderland, then it's okay. The rest of the keywords I think are good. The description is good as well, just as before. And let's see the keywords with Everbee. This product sold 22 times in the last month, which is excellent. I would also include here the template keyword as well, but other than that, I think everything looks really nice. I would like to congratulate you on the listing images because they look really amazing. And here is the shop in Etsy Rank. They have almost one sale every day, and the Alice in Wonderland items are selling really well at this point. I just clicked on those cake toppers, and here is the analytics in Etsy Rank. And according to them, this listing is really good. It gets almost 2.5 views each day. The conversion rate is really good at almost 5%. Estimated sales 11 and 40 euros in revenue. Here is another typo, birthday toppers. But other than that, everything looks really nice here. So after seeing all of this information, I would recommend for you to create some more Alice in Wonderland themed items, because you're really good at this and the designs that you created for Alice in Wonderland are selling well and they look good. My favorite was the Snow White one, but if you see some traction with Snow White as well, then you can create a few more invitations around that as well. I would also like to highlight the fact that you managed to create these invitations without using any copyrighted materials, and yet you captured the essence and the theme of those Disney movies. So that is really good. So this is a very good example of how to create Disney and Pixar and all of those themed invitations without using the actual copyrighted images. Martina was using a mirror, an apple, and other elements that are in that fairy tale, but they did not use the ones that were created by Disney. So that is a really good thing. So that would be for today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you would like for your Etsy shop to be reviewed here on my YouTube channel for free, then just leave the shop name down below and I will pick one when I will film this video next time. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online, and all things related to that. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!